Hi, I'm meteorologist Tom Kippen. As we look at what's ahead for today, we got a winter storm moving through upper Michigan that's going to bring some heavy snow. And we're looking at the highest snow amounts from this winter storm to be in the higher terrain west of Marquette, where we could be looking at over a foot of snow. A good chunk of UP locations will see some good healthy amounts of snow, but the higher terrain west of Marquette and also in the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula, that's where we're really going to add up the numbers. Lesser amounts will be closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline and in the eastern UP, and this is where we could have some freezing rain or sleet mix on in. So as we put our local 3 futurecasts into motion, if you want to stay home for this winter storm, if you don't want to be out on the road for this snowstorm, and rightfully so, it's going to really go downhill for driving conditions. You need to be in by lunchtime, because after we get into the afternoon hours, widespread heavy snow moves into the UP, and this could be coming down at 1 inch per hour. So if you want to sit this one out at home, make sure you're indoors by lunchtime. We could also see some freezing rain mix in closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline and in eastern UP, along with some sleet. Heavy snow does continue across upper Michigan as we go into Thursday evening, and then starts to taper off as we go into the overnight Thursday, and then Friday we're just left with some snow showers, even some clearing as we go into Friday night. As for temperatures, highs on Thursday afternoon in the teens and 20s, but then very cold temperatures move in as we go into Friday morning. Lows Friday morning, single digits, some spots below zero, and then they don't recover much. Highs on Friday afternoon only in the single digits. Here's the concern with the wind. Wind gusts will be picking on up here as we go into the evening hours on Thursday, and this is why we are concerned with power outages here, with winds potentially gusting between 20, maybe at or over 30 miles per hour. Any trees that are still have ice on them, that are stressed out from the ice storm on Monday, they could potentially break off here, and same goes for power lines. So that's why we're concerned with potentially some power outages. So just be ready for some power outages as we go into Thursday evening on into Friday, and then the gusty winds will continue on into Friday itself, and that's going to put a bite into the air. Wind chills by early Friday morning, 10, maybe 20 below, maybe minus 25, and then as we go into Friday afternoon, we are looking at wind chills anywhere between minus 10 and minus 20. Here's your extended forecast here, teens and 20s for Thursday, and then a little bit of a quiet weather period for Friday, albeit very cold, and then for the weekend, chilly, but at least just a few snow showers. Nothing really major happening for this upcoming weekend. That's all for now. Thanks for logging on to our webpage, upmatters.com, and stay with upmatters.com and our Local 3 Facebook page for updates throughout the day on Thursday on this winter storm.